All right, today's plan is we're gonna wash the car, and I wanna play with the DJI mic again, as well as I swapped the air intake, so I'll show you that. All right, so I swapped out the air filter this morning. This is the OE one, so about 16,000 miles. And then I just put in a BMC filter. It's super easy. There's just 4 screws, pops right on. There are not a lot of options. The only options I know of are the flat 6, but I feel like it's the same design. I know they claim like 20 horsepower, but I mean, that's silly from an intake. But I'll start with this guy. I may get the flat 6. I really just want some noises, some induction noise. But there it is. I think it's like $170 for an air filter, which is silly. So, but this car has the 2.9 V6. And then the other piece I was going to mess around with today is, so the Vyper chair arrived. So this is the relatively new Vyper Sport. It's smaller than the others, it's cheaper than the others, and it has a different height mechanism. It's more of just a pin. The car is dirty. I've been out of town all week, but it's been raining. It's raining outside right now. But yeah, I just want to get this thing cleaned up. First time washing these things. This is Shine Supply Wise Guy. Wheel Woolly. The main reason I got this chair over the other ones is it has a smaller footprint and the height is lower. It's cheaper. It does have smaller wheels, but 4-inch to 3-inch, at least for me, doesn't mean anything. The only thing I'm not happy about, or I want to change, is it has these poly wheels, which are just really hard. I want rubber wheels. They're quieter. I think it'll make it better. So I'll try to find some casters. Easy to clean though. I like these wheels. These are simple wheels. It's nice. All right, that's what I don't like about the Vyper. It's noisy. All right, rinse this thing off. mitt, get the other side. And I'll have to see if the audio's clipping or not. I keep messing with the gain with the shotgun mic and this DJI thing. See if I got it right. And my other motivation of washing inside is I need to clean the floor. There's Tyler. What's up, Tyler?
Hello. I'm being nosy. Did you put that on there? Was that right there?
Oh.
The accent color?
That's how it came.
It did?
And then I wrapped it with vinyl.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, I put vinyl.
You wrapped the car?
No, just the side blades.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, it took a couple tries, but I found a close color match.
Yeah.
And then I bought new GTS stickers to go on top, but.
Some badass rims.
Yeah, I think they turned out nice.
Freaking awesome.
Took a while.
Are they offset or?
Yeah, the rears are wide.
They both 22s or what are they?
They're 21s.
21s? They look bigger.
21 by 9.5 and then 21 by 10.5, yeah. But
Is it 10.5 usually on the back or?
10.
10?
10.
But it keeps it inside the wheel well.
Yeah,
it's close. Huh?
It has a little too much negative camber.
Oh, really?
Like you can see where like the bottom sticks out much further than the top. But that's just because it's lowered like 2.5 inches. This guy. And we got this guy. All right, so Vyper chairs. These have been out for a couple years. I never liked the size of the other ones, but then they came out with the Sport. It's smaller. It has a lower height. All right, so the height of this guy is about 11 inches, which is comparable to, Old Faithful. This thing is a great chair. I replaced the casters, 2 years ago. These are rubber, which leads me to what I don't like about this. That's terrible. I tried using this thing once and I hated life. So these are polyurethane casters. There's zero flex. These are really only good for, unfinished concrete or, smooth floor. Rubber caster. Look at that. It's quiet, it's smooth, it doesn't beat you up. So my solution is this. So these are rubber casters I bought from, let's see, what are these? Okay, so these are 4-inch, hollow kingpin, 1/2-inch bolt, right? The precision bearings, good stuff, right? Thermoplasticized rubber. That's what I wanted. So these, right? That's silent. So I'm going to try that on that and hopefully make this thing better. Otherwise, I'm probably not going to use it. I'll send it back because that's terrible. I mean, this is this thing. All right, so hopefully I measured right. Ugh. So let's do one at a time. Oops. Yeah. Now I did reach out to Vyper and ask them, why don't you offer, or have you thought about offering a rubber wheel option, right? Because they sell these casters, or they sell the 4-inch casters for, $15 a piece on the website. I think they went with polyurethane just because they look better, right? You can get different colors. Everyone likes colors. But oh boy. Oh, look at that 1/2 inch. They're wide. So, but these are, I did go to 4-inch. I don't really have a reason why I did that. There was more options, but like Apollo caster, it's funny, these companies, I found like 4 companies that's their sole gig is they sell casters. And there's so many different variations and styles and dual wheels, weight applications, etc. Look at that. Now, the one thing I do like, Vyper has these, they packed them with grease, which I like. But if they're only selling these for 15 bucks, that means, you know, they easily have like a 30% margin. Right? So I paid like 60 bucks for 5 of these shipped. Right? So, you know, these aren't hard to find, even, you know, they're quiet. It is a nice chair. You know, there's nothing wrong with those Griots chairs. You know, the foam pad on top is a must-have. Otherwise, you're sitting on hard plastic. You know, but $100 for that chair with a pad. You know, $400 for this guy. You know, $450 with my new casters. You know, part of the reason I buy this stuff, and part of the reason I have, you know, $3,000 in a camera, you know, is because I expense these. You know, I offset my income. I reduce my taxable income with you know, these related expenses, so I can justify it. If I didn't have that, I don't think I'd buy this. There we go. There's 2. All right, 3 left. That's it. That's 5. Moment of truth. Oh, man. Okay. Oh, the wheel's loose. Shit. Wheels are loose. Oh man, they're all loose. Yeah. Why is it so noisy? It's so noisy. That's a million times better though. I don't know what's making noise. I guess the seat thing. That's manageable. I'm okay with that. That's a good height. Okay. I think when it doesn't have any load on it, you just have like this seat. I almost just need like a fixed height. I bet the other seat's quieter because you don't have the flex. I wonder if you could tighten that up. Okay, that's better, I think. All right, there we go. New casters. This is my $450 seat versus, this is still a good seat. Nothing wrong. You know, you can get these casters, I think maybe 30 bucks or so for 4 of them. All right, short video. I need to, get some miles on this thing, and hopefully it makes sense. I probably can't even return it now because I've taken the wheels off twice and scuffed it up a bit, but I don't know. Let me know what you think of these chairs. I'm still on the fence.